Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you exactly how to empty the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine pods. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. Once again, how to empty the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine pods. Easy instructions so that you can follow along at home with your own machine. Let's get right into this easy video. So as you can see right here, when you use the machine, you open this up, you put the pod in here, you close it, you press the button to brew the coffee, and the coffee comes out. Now when you open the lever again, the pod that is in there that is used actually automatically falls down into the spent capsule tray, into the used capsule tray, into the used pod tray, whatever on earth you want to call it. Okay, so I'm going to close this right here, and that basically prevents you from having to like lift any capsules out or get your fingers dirty or anything like that. So how do you get them out of there? Because you're like, wait a second, where are they? Where are they? Where are they located? Well, I'll show you. It's really easy to do. First and foremost, this is the drip tray. You lift this out of place. You want this out of the way nicely. Secondly, there's this right here, which is sort of like a little handle it acts as, and you can sort of use this to pull this out. So check this out. It's almost like magic. It's hidden away, right? You pull this out, and then there's two portions to this. There's a bottom portion and a top portion. I'm going to lift off the top portion. Here's the bottom portion. You can leave that to the side. It doesn't really matter. It's just to let anything like drip out of there, because you can see there's a grate under here. But all of your used capsules are in here. And this fits, I don't know, a decent amount of used capsules. I think the next one that I would use would probably, I would have to empty this out because I couldn't really fit any more in here. So you just empty it out. Now let's see how many are in here, okay? I'm just gonna pull them out. You can just dump them into the garbage, but I wanna pull them out so we can see. There's 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, and lastly, but not leastly, 5. So we have 5 used capsules in here. Now yours, depending on how they fall, you might be able to fit some more. You might be able to fit not as much. It depends on how they fall into there. But I fit 5 used capsules. The next one that I was gonna use would have probably, like I had to, for this video, there was one that was getting clogged because my mom just made a coffee. This is their machine. I'm at my parents' house filming this video. It's their coffee machine. My mom just made a coffee and it was clogging it up. So I had to like manually take that one out just to do this video. So it fit 5 and the next one was clogging it up. But that's it. That is essentially how to empty the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine with regards to the pods inside. There are other videos about emptying the water inside of the machine. That's one aspect of emptying it. But that's like a once in a blue moon thing. If you're ever moving or selling it or storing it away, that's what you have to do. But this is something that's part of regular maintenance. You should empty the pods out every single day, even if it's not full. That's what I recommend. And that's it. But my parents drink so much espresso, and they have guests coming over to drink espresso all the time and so forth, that, they have to empty it out throughout the day anyways. But that is essentially it. My parents probably only have like 2 a day, but then, if the neighbors stop by, it's an Italian household, so we just got people stopping in all the time for coffee. Even myself right now, look, I'm filming this on my lunch break at work, and I stopped in for a coffee on my lunch break because I actually work fairly close to my parents' house. Anyways, that's enough going off on the side of what I wanted to talk about. That's how to empty the machine of its used pods or spent pods. Really, really easy to do. And then you can obviously just go and reassemble this really quickly. So you can put this back on top of here like that. Okay, slide it back in place and then put your drip tray back in place and you're good to go. That is truly it for this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.